Welcome back to another reaction video, everybody. Today I'm going to be reacting to Red Confessions, What's Inside My Head. So, without further ado, let's get into the music video, y'all. If I can find it. 3, 2, 1, go. That intro was insane, bro.
And I can smile, but I feel the anger coming. It's underneath, I don't know why. It's always overflowing. It's a constant fight, deep inside. And I wanna forget it. I confess I'm always afraid, always ashamed of what's inside me. I confess I'm always afraid, always ashamed of what's inside my head.
Dude, that's intense. Like, so in that first little intro bar he did, he was talking about like kind of the stuff that goes through his head, and now in this little chorus thing, he's saying, "Well, I'm scared of I'm scared of what's inside my head. I'm scared of the things I think about. I'm scared of the beast I could unleash." Dang, dude, that's so freaking relatable.
Always ashamed of what's inside my head. And I can breathe, and I still feel, but not the way I want to. I'm on the edge, don't know how. I can't escape this nightmare.
Right there, he said, "I'm on the edge. I don't know if I can escape this nightmare." It's like it's like some people feel like they're walking on eggshells because of what's going on inside their head, whether it be like depression, anxiety, OCD, you know, whatever you're going through, and it's like you feel like you're walking on eggshells and you don't know how to end it, how to get through how to end the pain and how to get through the pain. You know what I mean? I guess that's what he's saying, but yeah, man, that's a freaking intense song.
Confess I'm always afraid, always ashamed of what's inside me. I confess I'm always afraid, always ashamed of what's inside my head. What's inside my head.
Okay, that was pretty cool. That little transition they did, where they took away all the guitars and stuff, and just him singing. And also, could that be like a little like a double entendre, with like as in saying like the guitars and him singing were everything that was inside his head, but then it went away, and now it's like, oh, it's just him thinking now. It's just his normal thoughts thinking. Could that be a possibility? Let's keep going. Bro, oh my, okay, okay, before I go back on this, what he was saying right there, the little anything was like, take this, help me get through this, take it away, help, hold on. Take this away, help me escape. Yeah, it's like basically he's like now he's trying to find help. He's getting help to help him get rid of what's inside his head. But now let's get into this transition they just did with the ending, because that, oh my gosh, dude. Little dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, dude, that gets you pumped, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. Y'all need to check out freaking Red, dude. I was about to say Conviction. Shout out to Convictions, by the way. They're the one that made Stigmata, The War That Followed Me Home, etc. Dude, Red, y'all are just doing awesome. And I know that they have some newer stuff coming out, which I believe I put into the Watch Later playlist. But dude, I need to listen to their music more, because that's just, I love it. Man, it's an awesome song too, man. Yeah. Check you out in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome back to another reaction video, everybody. Today we're going to be reacting to Dadgummit.